A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Dhaval Chandarana, and guys, we already completed our data compression subject, but I will uploaded some of the particular video for a particular numericals. So now onwards, whatever the video we are uploading or we are learning, it is clear your concept about how to solve the particular algorithm, or we can say how to solve those numerical which is defined by the different algorithm. And we know that in a data compression subject there are the two different method or two different part, lossy data compression and lossless data compressions. And my all this video now onward which mainly focus on a particular numerical which is asked in your exam point of view. So guys, today we discuss one of the algorithms numerical. It is known as a adaptive dictionary algorithm. As we already discussed what is adaptive dictionary, what are the different algorithm. In a specific adaptive dictionary algorithm, we have a three different algorithm: LZ77, LZ78 and LZW. And guys, whatever video I will upload now onwards, they have only focus how to solve the numericals. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding how to solve those numerical, then you can go through this video. But if you have any doubt regarding what are the rules, what are the different techniques which is algorithm is defined, and how to perform algorithm steps on for particular algorithm, then please go to my video channels or YouTube video channels, and in particular YouTube channels you can find the data compressions playlist. In the all the videos which is already uploaded in a data compression subject playlist. So guys, if you want to go into depth with the help of our rules and regulations, then please watch my all those video which is already uploaded in a data compressions playlist. But if you have to doubt any kind of numerical concept, or if you want to clear your numerical concept, then please refer these videos. On now onwards, whatever the video is uploaded, it completely focus on solve out this particular numerical. And guys, it is also benefit for you to take one of the example which is already asked in a GTU exam. So it's very easy to connect with how to solve those numericals as well as exam. So specifically today we discuss about how to solve the LZ77 encoding concept with help of a numerical. So without wasting time, I will directly go with the example. And guys, I will remind you, this example is already asked in your exam also. So it is very easy to understand how the question should be asked, how to connect with, and how to solve your numericals. It's mostly probably asked in a 7 marks exam or 7 marks point of view. So it's you can easily understand what is the importance of this particular algorithm. So guys, in GTU exam, one of the questions asked is encode the following sequence using LZ77 algorithm. So whatever the sequence is given, we want to solve out with help of LZ77 algorithm. And guys, we know that whenever we have to solve any of the string or compressions method which is defined by LZ77 or which we help to LZ77, there are the three different mechanism: search buffer, located buffer and window size. And guys, I just remind you, if you want to go to depth in what is the located buffer, what is a window size and what is a search buffer, please refer my already uploaded video. So guys, in particular questions, they have provided a different strings which is highlighted in this bold letter, and assume you have a window size is 30 with a located buffer size is 15. So guys, they have two assumptions about located buffer size and window size. And we know that whenever we solve out the LZ77, there is a two parameters is required. First one is located buffer and second one is search buffer. But in this particular example, search buffer size is not provided to you, but they are providing a window size. And we know that window size is nothing but the combinations of search buffer plus located buffer. So they already provided located buffer, they also provided a window size. So if you minus your located buffer size into the window size, then it's easily get a search buffer. So as a equations, located buffer minus window size, it's become your search buffer. So as per our given assumptions, 15 minus 30, it is a 15. So I will mention 1 to 15, it is a search buffer size. Located buffer size is 15, and now we are solve out this algorithm. Guys, this is the string which is mentions in a particular questions, and we can solve those string or compressions with help of this algorithm. So we start with the first steps. I will put a first 15 character on a Windows because it is the sliding window protocols. Always we can say LZ7 is alternative name is sliding window algorithm. So we have a limited number of characters which is occupied within a particular steps. If your character is more than your window size, then they can remove from the left hand side as well as the right hand side. So I will put a first 15 character from the right hand side into the located buffer. LAB is nothing but the located buffer, and remaining characters after 15, which is a 15 character, and after remaining character it is stored in a below windows. So it should be not considered right now or in our first steps because it is a outer window. We just consider only those character which is available on a only Windows. So we know that there are the three different steps. First, we want to mention a particular size which is index size where we particular character should be found. Second thing or second point which is represent how many character will be matching in this particular steps, and the third bit or third output which is represent which character is the next character. And guys, I just remind you, whatever the character which is mentioned on a last bit, till all the character we will transfer from located buffer to search buffer. So जो 3 बिट हमने यहाँ पे मेंशंस किया है वो फर्स्ट बिट रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि आपके कौन सी इंडेक्स पे आपने कैरेक्टर फाइंड किया है और आपको मैच मिला है. सेकेंड बिट वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स और आपको कितने कैरेक्टर ए पर्टिकुलर स्टेप में फाइंड हुए हैं जो लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर ने आपने ढूंढा है. और द थर्ड बिट जो आपने रिप्रेजेंट किया है तब तक के सभी कैरेक्टर रिमेनिंग ऑल दिस कैरेक्टर उसको आपने क्या करना है, लोकेटेड बफर से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है. सो ये है कंप्लीट प्रोसेस LZ77 एल्गोरिथम को सॉल्व करने का. सो हम ट्राई करते हैं फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट स्टेप. लोकेटेड बफर में से कैरेक्टर लेना है और सर्च बफर में आपको फाइंड करने जाना है. सो वी विल फाइंड द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स. अंडरस्कोर B, it is your first character, and we know that there are a empty search buffer, so there are the no match, means it's require a 0, or we can represent with the 0. If you not found any character, the index also be a 0, and your first character is underscore B, so I will mention a next character as a B. So till a next character we want to transfer our located buffer character to search buffer. So on the first step we want to write down 00 underscore B, and now in the next steps underscore B is transferred from located buffer to search buffer. Now a second character for the second steps, we want to find A from located buffer to search buffer. We know that there are the only one character which is not A, so the same concept, 0 index, we not find any character, so its index should be a 0. There are no match found or no character found, that's why a 0 is mentioned on the middle one, and A is the character. Now we want to compress our A character, so next character value is A, and as a above explanations, whatever the character is mentioned on a last bit, it will be transferred from located buffer to search buffer. So A should be transferred. Now the remaining thing is you just focus. If we want to transfer our any of the located buffer character to search buffer, they are shifting a left hand sides. So that's why a underscore B is a first index on a second steps, but on a third steps they are transferring or they are shifting on the left hand sides, and A should be transferred from located buffer to search buffer. हमको हर एक स्टेप में क्या करना है, जो भी कैरेक्टर हम कंप्रेस करते हैं, जो भी कैरेक्टर हमने कंप्रेस ऑलरेडी कर दिया है उसको हमने लोकेटेड बफर से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है. लेकिन आपको याद क्या रखना है, जो भी कैरेक्टर आप लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो, तो जो ऑलरेडी सर्च बफर में जो भी कैरेक्टर अवेलेबल है उसको आपको लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करना है. आपको रिप्लेस नहीं करना है, उसको लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करते जाना है. तो हमने दूसरे स्टेप में जहाँ पे फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पर अंडरस्कोर B कैरेक्टर था उसको थर्ड स्टेप में हमको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट पोजीशन से वन कैरेक्टर लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करेंगे और उसको सेकेंड पोजीशन पे ट्रांसफर कर देंगे। और हमने जो कंप्रेस किया है सेकेंड स्टेप में ए, उसको हमने लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है। सो इट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लेफ्ट शिफ्ट। नाउ वी सी आर इज योर कैरेक्टर। हम जो भी कैरेक्टर ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च कैरेक्टर में, हम एक एक बिट जो भी स्पेस मिल रही है उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी नीचे दी गई कोई कैरेक्टर है उसको हम विंडो में ऐड करते जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हमने अंडरस्कोर बी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया, तो ये अंडरस्कोर बी था वो हमने नेक्स्ट स्टेप में विंडो में ऐड कर दिया। अभी हमने ए ट्रांसफर किया, तो ये वाला बी है वो हमने क्या किया, लोकेटेड बफर में ऐड कर दिया। इस तरह से आपको जब भी कंप्लीट कोई भी LZ70 एल्गोरिदम दिया गया हो एग्जाम्पल में, सो आपको सॉल्व करना है। और वो स्टेप्स कब तक रिपीट करना है, जब तक आपके सभी कैरेक्टर्स और आपकी दी गई हुई सभी कैरेक्टर्स लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर नहीं हो जाए। मीन्स if you want to transfer each and every character from located buffer to search buffer, then your algorithm is completed. So till you want to perform these steps repeated on a manner. Now we find out R. Next check R is available on a located buffer. Yes, but we want to transfer from search buffer, then we will see R is available for search buffer or not. But there are only two characters, underscore B and A. So the steps is repeated. We not found any character because R is only available on located buffer, not available on a search buffer. So index also be a 0 and a next character is R. So we want to transfer your R from located buffer to search buffer, and there are the two characters we want to left shift. So on the next steps, underscore B is transferred on the third positions, A is transferred from the second positions, and R is moved to the first positions of your search buffer. And if you are transferring your R to located buffer to search buffer, so one space is remaining and one window square is available for you. So for next character, A is transferred to your located buffer. Now we see next steps. So whatever mentions I will in a previous lecture or previous slides, it should be defined in a A, means आपको जो भी स्पेस मिल रहा है हम उसको हर एक कैरेक्टर्स को एक एक कैरेक्टर में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं। जितनी भी स्पेस मिलेगी उतने कैरेक्टर हमारी जो विंडो से बाहर है उसको हम विंडो में ऐड करते जाएंगे। अब हम चेक करेंगे आर हमारा फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर है लोकेटेड बफर का, जिसको हमको फाइंड करने जाना है सर्च बफर में। तो हमारे पास आर फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे मिल रहा है। हम चेक करेंगे आर के बाजू वाले ए कैरेक्टर को, यहाँ पे आर के बाजू में ए कैरेक्टर नहीं है, तो हमको कितने कैरेक्टर मिले। We want to find a one character R which is available in located buffer as well as we are available in a search buffer. On which positions we are finding a one character? So one is our positions where we find a characters. How many character we will to find out? It is known as one. And which is the second character which is not available in search buffer but they are available in located buffer. So it is known as a. And मैंने पहले ही बताया कि थर्ड बिट में आप जो भी कैरेक्टर लिख रहे हो और मेंशंस कर रहे हो तब तक के सभी कैरेक्टर्स को आपको लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है और जो भी सर्च बफर के कैरेक्टर है उसको लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करते जाना है। तो अब हमारा नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर कौन सा है, ए। यहाँ पर आर और ए है, हमको ये दोनों कैरेक्टर विच ऑल द टू कैरेक्टर्स वी वांट टू ट्रांसफर from located buffer to search buffer. So we can transfer our A on a first positions, R on a 2, this R is on a third, A is on 4 and underscore B is a fifth positions. Now we find a Y is not available in a search buffer, so it is a simple 00Y because there is a no match found from located buffer to search buffer and your next character is Y. So we can directly transfer a one left shift from located buffer to search buffer. So right now we have a complete 6 character which is moved from located buffer to search buffer. Now we want to find A. There are the two match are available. A is also available on a second positions as well as A is available on a fifth positions. Now we see which one is the next character, R. So at considerations of second positions, if we consider A as on a second positions, but on a second character of A means A के बाजू में R अवेलेबल नहीं है, हम जो एक सेकंड पोजीशन वाला कलेक्ट करें और सिलेक्ट करें तो उसके बाजू में R हमको नहीं मिल रहा है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, पांचवी पोजीशन में जो भी A मिला है उसको हम चेक करते हैं कि उसके बाजू में R है कि नहीं, क्योंकि हमको जितनी प्रोसेस जितना कैरेक्टर ज़्यादा मिलेगा उतने स्टेप्स कम प्रोसेस करने पड़ेंगे और कम स्टेप्स परफॉर्म करने पड़ेंगे। तो हमको वही फाइंड करना है जिसमें हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैच फाइंड हो सके। तो हम पहले चेक करेंगे ए को, ए हमको दोनों साइड मिला, सेकंड पोजीशन और फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे। दूसरा कैरेक्टर हमने चेक किया तो दूसरी पोजीशन वाला ए था, उसके बाजू में वाई है तो आर अवेलेबल नहीं है। फिर हम चेक कर रहे हैं कि फिफ्थ पोजीशन वाले ए के बाजू में आर है कि नहीं, तो वहाँ पे हमको आर मिला है। अब तो हम थर्ड कैरेक्टर चेक करेंगे, ए आर के बाजू में अंडरस्कोर बी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे फिफ्थ पोजीशन ए हम कंसिडर करें तो उसके बाजू में ए आर मिला लेकिन अंडरस्कोर बी नहीं मिला। So guys, we want to select a fifth number of index for the matching cases. So I will just mention a fifth index where we find a particular match. How many characters we will match? A and R. So it should be only two characters we match. So it should be a 2. And if we consider A and R is match found from located buffer to search buffer and your next character is underscore B. So A and R का already compressions हो चुका है, हमको नया कैरेक्टर क्या मिला, ए आर अंडरस्कोर बी। सो हम अंडरस्कोर बी को नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर की पोजीशंस में लिखेंगे। और अब मैंने पहले ही बताया कि जो भी नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर पोजीशंस में आप लिख रहे हो उसके सभी कैरेक्टर वो कैरेक्टर साथ में लेके मीन्स ए आर बी को आपको लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है। और रिमेनिंग कैरेक्टर जो विंडो के बाहर है तो हम यहाँ पे 3 कैरेक्टर्स विंडो में ऐड कर सकते हैं, वाई ए आर on our next steps, and we want to transfer A, R and underscore B from located buffer to search buffer on our next steps. So guys, it is the steps to solve out your LZ77 algorithm. So it is the concept which already we are discussing. Now guys, अब जो स्टेप मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ वो स्टेप्स इस एग्जाम्पल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि सभी स्टूडेंट वहीं पे मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं। क्या है कि पहला कैरेक्टर हमने जो कंप्रेस किया वो अंडरस्कोर बी है, और यहाँ पे अब जो कैरेक्टर हमने दिखाई दे रहा है वो है बी। सो अंडरस्कोर बी और बी हम कोई भी कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम यूज करें वो दोनों में अलग अलग है, तो आप इसको कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि अंडरस्कोर बी भी अलग कैरेक्टर है, ए बी है वो भी अलग कैरेक्टर है। तो स्टूडेंट क्या कर रहे हैं, दोनों को सेम समझ के कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम परफॉर्म कर देते हैं। सो गाइस, डू नॉट एनी काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक, और यू मस्ट बी रिमेंबर ईच एंड एवरी कैरेक्टर विच इज डिफाइंड इन योर स्ट्रिंग or which is asked in your questions. You must be aware about that underscore b and b are not the same character. If you consider as the same, then answer is wrong. So that's why I will take one example which is really important to understand how to solve out a different character with the help of LZ77. So वही बताने के लिए ये एग्जाम्पल मैंने कंसिडर किया है, और ये कैरेक्टर के लिए ही मैं ये वीडियो आपको भेज रहा हूँ। So guys, these two characters are different. Now we find a B which is not available in a search buffer. Guys, I will just mention underscore B and B is not the same. So if we consider B in a located buffer as our process, we want to find this character in a search buffer. But search buffer have not contained any B. They have B, but it is a special character. It is known as a underscore B. So it should be a different. So there are the no any character will found, so it should be 0. There are no match found, that's why it's 0. And we want to compress our new character which is known as a B. So this is the process which is defined by the located buffer to search buffer. And for that we want to add on a next character. Guys, this step is really important for understanding of how to solve the LZ77 algorithm, because exam whenever it should be considered or whenever questions should be asked in exam, they have mentioned only slightly difference between those character, and if you miss this any possibility of single character, then your marks is not perfect getting, means you are not getting a 7 out of 7 marks, because if you consider as in two character are same, then output is a different one. So that's why I will just uploaded this video. So we will continue this process. बी को हम क्या करेंगे, लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. सो प्रोसेस सेम ही है. हम अंडरस्कोर बी को नेक्स्ट स्टेप में विंडो में ले जाएंगे. फिर से हम फाइंड करेंगे ए को. ए हमको मिल रहा है 4th पोजीशन पे, 6th पोजीशन पे, 9th पोजीशन पे. हम दूसरा कैरेक्टर फाइंड करेंगे ए आर. यहाँ पे भी हमके ए आर, यहाँ पे भी हमको ए आर मिल रहा है, यहाँ पर भी हमको ए आर फाइंड करना है, यहाँ पर भी हमको ए आर मिल रहा है, लेकिन 6th पोजीशन वाले ए में आर नहीं है, तो हम डायरेक्टली उसको रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. बिकॉज एज आवर प्रोसेस we want to find a maximum match due to reduce the number of steps for the algorithm process, or we can save times as well as save money. So we consider a two character, and according to the two character we want to getting index number 4 as well as index number 9. Now we see a third character. So if we consider as a 4th index of A, there are also available underscore B as well as on a 9th positions. The third character is not available underscore B, so we can directly reject it index number 9. Now we have only one options, it is known as a index 4. Now we see we already getting a 3 character. Now we see a 4th character, it is known as a B. If we consider A on a 4th positions, there are 3 match A, R, underscore B and B. So in particular located buffer we getting a R, underscore B and 4. So those all these 4 characters are available from located buffer to search buffer. Let's see which one is the 5th character on a special equations or special forms. What is the special form? If you have any doubt, then please refer already uploaded LZ77 example video, which is available on my YouTube channel in a data compressions playlist. So in a 5th character there is a Y, but on a located buffer there is a Y, but in a considerations of search buffer Y is not available on a continuously process. So हमको जो 4 कैरेक्टर मिले हैं वो लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च करने के बाद हमको फर्स्ट 4 कैरेक्टर मिल गए A, R, अंडरस्कोर B एंड B. लेकिन क्या है कि 5th कैरेक्टर जो Y है वो भी हमको फाइंड करना है. हमको चेक करनी है पॉसिबिलिटी कि हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स इज अवेलेबल ऑन अ मैक्सिमम पॉइंट. सो वी कैन चेक y is available on a continuous process after the next character or a continuous next character from search buffer to located buffer, but there is a no y, they have a. So now which positions we can find? On a 4th positions we have find our match. How many characters we match? A, R, underscore B and B. So we have find a 4 characters, or we want to getting a 4 character match, and our next character is Y. So guys, we want to transfer till Y character, means they have a 5 character we want to transfer from located buffer to search buffer, and we have a 5 number of availability of space, so we can directly transfer or left shift all the character, and those located buffers 5 character will move to the search buffer. So now search buffer is full and they have only 2 characters remaining, so the located buffer remain a 3 space. But now what was the process? Your search buffer is full. Now if you want to transfer or we want to move our next steps on any of the character from located buffer to search buffer, then we want to remove those character which we want to move from the located buffer to search buffer. Means if you want to transfer a 2 character from located buffer to search buffer, last 2 character is removed it, because it is the concept of left shift. So it is the steps 4 index. In 4th index we want to find a 4 character and our next character is Y. So on a Y it should be available on our first positions. So if we consider whatever your next character value is always be on a first position on a next steps. Like if we consider B was a next character, so you can directly find that a first positions on a B on a next steps. Same way If you write down a y, so on the next steps y is on our first positions. Now we see underscore b, we want to find on a third index, we want to find also in a 7th as well as on a 15th. Now we consider underscore b and b. Underscore b and b we want to find on a third, underscore b and b want to find on a 7th, underscore b and b is not available, so we can directly reject it 15th index. Let's see a third character, it is a, so underscore b, b and y, so it should be rejected. Underscore b, b and a is available, so we can select, or we have only one options remaining to find out a 7th index. Now we see we have find out a 3 character underscore b, b and a. Let's check another character r. R is also available. Let's see a next another character r, but in 7th index, if you want to select a 7th index of underscore b, there are only 4 characters found from located buffer to search buffer. Like if you consider underscore b, then b, then a, then r. But on a 5th position r character is available on located buffer but not available in a search buffer. So guys, we want to mention on a first bit, we want to find our character matching case on a 7th positions. So I will mention on a 7th note. On a first bit we want to find, or we want to getting a 4 character match, so that's why I will mention a 4, and our next character is r. So guys, we want to move a total number of 5 character from located buffer to search buffer. हम जो भी आउटपुट लिख रहे हैं वो कैसे लिख रहे हैं मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि जो भी इंडेक्स में हमको कैरेक्टर मिल रहा है वो हमको फर्स्ट लिखना है, क्या कि हमको पता चले कि हमने कहाँ से कैरेक्टर फाइंड करना शुरू किया है। कितने कैरेक्टर हमको मिल रहे हैं एक ही साथ एक ही स्टेप में वो हम सेकंड लिख रहे हैं, और जो थर्ड लिखा है वो हमारा नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर है। नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर की वैल्यू का इंपॉर्टेंस इसलिए है कि नेक्स्ट स्टेप में तब तक के सभी कैरेक्टर हमको लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में ट्रांसफर करना है। सो क्या कर रहे हैं हम कि आर जो सेकंड कैरेक्टर है तब तक के सभी कैरेक्टर हम लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करेंगे, हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में। तो अभी सर्च बफर तो हमारा फुल है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो लास्ट 5 बीट है वो हम लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करके उसको विंडो से बाहर भेज देंगे, और रिमेनिंग कैरेक्टर जो 5 बीट है अंडरस्कोर बी, बी, ए, आर, आर, उसको हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे फ्रॉम लोकेटेड बफर टू सर्च बफर। तो ऑन नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स आर इज ऑन आवर फर्स्ट पोजिशन एज अवर explanation. So R is our first steps. Now we find A. A is found on 3, A is found on 10, A is found on 14. They have a 3 possible matches on a different index, 14th, 10 and 3. Now we see a second match or second character A and Y. Let's see, A and Y is not available, so we can directly reject the third index. On a 10th position they have no match with the Y, A and R, so we can directly reject it 10th positions, as well as on a 14th positions A and Y is not available. So guys, on all these possibility cases, on a 14th positions, on a 10th positions, on a third positions, we want to find only one character which is known as Y, A. So guys, on a same case, if you found only one possible character on a different location, which location is mentioned in your input steps, or we can say output first bit. So whenever this kind of condition happened, if you found a similarity case on a different index, we select a nearest index value from your located buffer to search buffer. ये भी केस आपको याद करना पड़ेगा कि आपको सेम कैरेक्टर मीन्स एक ही कैरेक्टर आपको मिल रहा है अलग अलग इंडेक्स की वैल्यू में। हमारे यही केस में हम चेक करें तो आपको ए कैरेक्टर फाइंड करना है लोकेटेड बफर में से सर्च बफर में। तो ए आपको 3 जगह पे मिल रहा है, थर्ड इंडेक्स पर भी मिल रहा है, 10th नंबर पे इंडेक्स पे भी मिल रहा है, और 14 पे भी मिल रहा है। तो हम कौन सी इंडेक्स को कंसिडर करें जिसके हमको बेनिफिट हो सके और उसका यूज हम लॉन्ग टाइम पे कर सकते हैं। सो स्लाइडिंग विंडो प्रोटोकॉल के हिसाब से हम देखें तो जो भी नियरेस्ट है उसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अब हम जो 14th इंडेक्स का नंबर मेंशंस करें फर्स्ट बिट में, तो वो तो अभी भी हम जो भी बिट ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे वो विंडो से रिमूव हो जाएगा। इसलिए हमको क्या कंसिडर करना है, जो भी नियरेस्ट वैल्यू है जो हमें लोकेटेड बफर से सबसे ज़्यादा नज़दीक है वो इंडेक्स हमको कंसिडरेशंस में लेना है। तो हम थर्ड पोजीशंस लिख रहे हैं। थर्ड पोजीशंस में हमको जो भी कैरेक्टर मिला है वो ए है और वाई इट इज़ योर नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर। तो हमको कितने कैरेक्टर मिले, ओनली वन, सो इट शुड बी मेंशन इन अ मिडल वन। एंड नाउ वी वांट टू ट्रांसफर टिल वाई कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम लोकेटेड बफर टू सर्च बफर। तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा, वाई हमारा फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर हो जाएगा सर्च बफर में, और ये आप देख सकते हो। नाउ वी वांट टू मूव टू सर्च ए। देयर है पॉसिबिलिटी मैच ए is available on a second index, on a fifth index, as well as on a 12th index. Now we want to see which is the next character from A to R. So A is already available, but R is not available. So we can directly reject it, index number 2. In a fifth position, we want to find A and R. So we can, as consideration, or we can take as possibility cases. On a 12th index, also we want to find A and R. Let's see a third character. In a fifth positions, we have not find out a third character underscore B. So we can reject it and we want to move to the another possibility check. In a 12th position, we are finding A and R as well as underscore B. Let's see our next character. After underscore B, B is available on a located buffer. Let's say it is available on a search buffer. Yes, it is also available. A, R underscore B and B. And let's check another possibility case. We already find out a 4 character. What was the next? A. So in a 12th index, we find out A, R underscore B and B. 4 case or 4 character is available, or 4 match case are available, but A is not available. So as our according to steps, we want to mention a first bit, it is known as a 12th index, from which we want to find a character. How many character we find? There are the 4 character is match available from located buffer to search buffer. So we want to mention a 12th, it is the index number where we want to find a character. How many character we want to find? A 4 character we will to find. And what was the next character? It is A, which should be mentioned as our next character. So guys, on our last steps, we are moving our all the 5 characters which is available on located buffer, we are transferring to the search buffer. So it is your LZ77 encoding procedure, and according to our example, it is your final answer. You just mentions all the 3 bit on a sequence manner and you can getting your 7 out of 7 marks. It is the last steps because now onwards there are the no character available on a located buffer. So it is a complete solutions of a particular given example. Solve your particular string with help of LZ77. I hope you are clear. I hope you are enjoying. And guys, whatever things or constraint and rules which is defined in this particular video, you must be remember whenever you are attempting LZ77 exam. As well as you must be remember there are the different or slightly difference between underscore B as well as B. It is the first constraint which we are study from this video, as well as we study a second constraint. If you find a similarity case with the same match case, like as per our example, A are available in a 3 different index positions, as well as we are finding only 1 character in rest of all these 3 index. So in those case, we want to select a nearest value from located buffer to search buffer. So those 2 things which we are study from these videos for the help of LZ77 example. So I hope you are clear. I hope you are enjoying, and I hope it is a really helpful video for the example point of view. Thank you so much.